10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏಜು ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸರಣಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions in complete statements. Only one of them is correct or most appropriate. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet in your answer booklet. Each carries 1 mark, total 8 questions. Which of the following elements has the largest atomic radii? ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಸಿಯಂ, ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ. NaMgKCa ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ, ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? Coal, natural gas, uranium, petroleum. A convex lens forms a virtual image when an object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters from it. The focal length is 40, 20, below 20, above 20. ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Ferrous sulfate crystals are taken in a test tube and heated. The correct statement related to the chemical reaction is, it is protolytic decomposition reaction and white colored solid ferric oxide is formed. It is a thermal decomposition and green colored fumes of ferric oxide is formed. It is a photolytic decomposition reaction and brown colored fumes of ferric oxide is formed. This is a thermal decomposition reaction and brown colored fumes of ferric oxide formed. ನೋಡಿ, ferrous sulfate crystals are taken in a test tube and heated. The correct statement related to the chemical reaction is, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್, ನೋಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. The part of the human eye that controls the amount of light entering into the eye is iris, pupil, rods and cones, retina. ಲೈಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. In the following reaction, the chemical reaction that take place in sunlight is, 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವುದಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Conducting wire of 2 meter length and resistance is 100 meter. The length of the wire is reduced to 1 meter. The resistance of the wire will be ಎಷ್ಟು? 10, 5, 15, 20 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 1 sentence each. 8 questions, each carrying 1 mark, total 8 marks. Why is the refractive index of atmosphere different at different altitudes? Name the functional group present in propanol. C3H6O. Propanol ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Name one organ analogous to the wing of the bird. Draw the electron dot structure for ethane molecule. Which of the following is an exothermic reaction and why? Heating calcium carbonate, adding water to calcium oxide. which is exothermic reaction and why ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ನೇಮ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ಟೈನ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಏರೋಬಿಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್. ನೋಡಿ ಅನ್ಏರೋಬಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಏರೋಬಿಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುವು ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಟಂಗ್ಸ್ಟನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್. ವೈ? Reuse is better than recycling of materials. Give reasons to justify the statement. Now answer the following questions. Each carries 2 marks, total 8 questions. What type of oxides are formed when non-metals react with oxygen? Give an example. Or draw the diagram of the apparatus used in electrolytic refining of copper and label the electrode where pure copper is deposited. Illustrated any two chemical properties of acids with examples. Even though baking soda is best disinfectant, why should it not be used excessively? The pH values of 4 solutions A, B, C and D are 5, 12, 8, 9 respectively. Arrange them in the increasing order of their hydroxyl ion concentration. Explain what happens if our mouth contains the pH of solution A. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೌತ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ದ ಪಿ ಎಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಎಚ್ ಏನಿದೆ 5. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ our mouth contains pH of 5, what happens? We have to tell. Draw a longitudinal section of a flower and label the following parts. Part that produces pollen grains. A brown substance X on heating in air forms a substance Y. When hydrogen gas is passed over heated Y, it again changes back into X. Name the substance X and Y. Write the chemical equation of the same. What is the role of saliva in digestion of food? Or what is the translocation? How does it take place in plants? Draw a neat labeled diagram showing recombination of spectrum of white light. An electric motor is taken out from a toy car. How do we convert this motor into a small electric generator? Compare the function of electric generator with the phenomena of electromagnetic induction. Answer the following questions. Draw a vertical section of human heart and label the biggest artery. Explain the cause of shoots of the plant bending towards light. Draw a neat labeled diagram of a neuron and write the function of sensory neuron. Explain why variations are observed in the offsprings formed by sexual reproduction. What are the changes that occur in a flower after fertilization? Anyone? What are the functions of placenta? What are the functions of tests in humans? What are the functions of testis in humans? How did Mendeleev arrange the elements? He left empty spaces in his periodic table. Why? Explain the limitations of Mendeleev's classification. What is meant by group in the modern periodic table? How do the following charges occur on moving from top to bottom in a group? Number of valence electrons, size of atoms. Explain the flow of energy and harmful chemicals in an ecosystem. List any 4 characteristics of a good source of energy. Name any 2 sources of energy which are dependent on solar energy. Or write some of the simple choices that can make a difference in our energy consumption patterns. Stars appears to be twinkling but planets do not twinkle. Why? Explain why the color of the clear sky during day appears blue and during sunset appears red. What is thermite reaction? Explain with an example. Note next, answer the following questions. Each carries 4 marks. Total 4 questions carrying 16 marks. A compound X is formed by the reaction of carboxylic acid having the molecular formula C2H4O2 and alcohol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. The same carboxylic acid is obtained by the oxidation of alcohol. Name the compounds X and Y. Give the chemical equation for the reaction. Or which hydrocarbons burn with non-sooty blue flame, sooty yellow flame? What happens when methane reacts with chlorine? Why does soap not work in hard water? Define isomerism. The refractive index of glass and water with respect to the air are 3 by 2 and 4 by 3 respectively. If speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, you can find the speed of light in water. It is desired to obtain an erect image of an object using concave mirror of focal length of 12 centimeter. Where will be the image of this subject if it is placed 24 centimeter in front of the mirror? Justify your answer with the help of a ray diagram. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. 2 areas of study, namely evolution and classification, are interlinked. Justify this statement. Define genetic drift. Draw the circuit diagram showing the combination of resistors R1, R2, R3 in parallel, including ammeter and voltmeter, and mark the direction of current. An electric heater is rated 12,000 watt, 220 volt. Calculate the current flowing through it and resistance of heating element. Answer the following. Define the rule used to identify the direction of induced current in an electric generator. How can we increase the amount of electric current produced in the electric generator? Mention the property of the current produced by AC generator. Mention important advantage of this type of current. Draw a neat label diagram of a DC motor. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದವರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.